Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday events, and balloon decor. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make Christmas jingle bells with foil balloon orbs. You guys are going to love it. It's very easy to make. And I am so happy to be back. So happy. Anyway, guys, it's been a while since I've been here, but I'm gonna try to at least be here once a month. So make sure to look out for my DIYs coming up because I have a lot of props that I had to make for events, and I am here for it. And I hope you're here for it to build it with me, and we can make it happen for 2023, guys. All right, let's get started. Here we go. Here's what we're gonna need. You are going to need foil orbs. I am going to be using this multicolor situation here, but you guys can make it just one color if you would like. I'm going to be using hot pink, turquoise, gold, and silver. And to make that very cool halo effect, you are going to need vinyl circles and vinyl strips, okay? And you are going to love that, and it's gonna be very easy. And then ultimately, you are going to need 260 balloons to tie them together into quads. All right, so let's blow this baby up. So I'm gonna grab one of these nozzles here and place it on my pump. You can also use a hand pump, okay? It just takes longer. So I'm gonna place my straw. Doesn't matter which straw. They usually come with a little straw, but it's a little bit too thin, and I don't want the air to escape from the hole. So I'd rather have a thicker straw. Okay, it's not trying to work with me. Oh, there you go. And then just kind of like rub on it here so it can like lock the bulb here. All right, a perfectly round, no lines balloon orb. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the vinyl strips and the vinyl dots on here. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add the vinyl strips to the orbs, and you are going to need 2 strips per orb. And I'm going to make them about 13.5 inches. You are going to be tempted to make it longer, but a little goes a long way. I'm just going to bend it. I'm just gonna bend it here. And then I'm gonna use this strip to measure the rest of the strips. And you're basically going to need 2 strips per orb and 8 strips per quad. Okay, so now we are going to peel off the clear plastic film it has on there. Get that off. And then we're going to pull the backing. And if you want to get exactly the middle, you can go like this. Sticky side out. Make a dent there. Place it right in the middle here. Rub down. No squeegee needed. Then you grab the other one and you just crisscross. So these are the vinyl dots. You're gonna need 4 per bell. Place it right at the very end. And there you have it. Look at that. So pretty. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and make 3 more of these, and then I'm gonna show you how to make quads. And I'm gonna do that by cutting the 260 in half. I'm gonna use one of these to tie it onto the tail of it. So I am going to place the 260, the half of 260 in the middle of the tail on the top. Okay, and then I'm going to roll it all the way down. Well, not all the way, but up until here. You don't want to bring it all the way down because you'll break the bulb. And then you are going to tie it. And then I'm going to bring my other foil, and I'm going to tie it together and make it a dupe. I'm going to tie it twice. Okay, so now I have 2 dupes that I'm going to make into a quad by crossing them. And then you turn one of them or 2. Okay? And here you have your quad of bells. Now I'm gonna make a bunch of quads so I can make these into a nice foil bell garland. When I make foil garlands, I like putting them together with fishing line. This one is 20 pounds. I do prefer 25, but for some reason they didn't have any one the other day. So I'm just gonna tie the end of it around the middle of my quad here a couple of times, and then I'm just gonna stack the quads on top of the other. So I'm gonna bring this one on top of this one and just go around it a couple of times. So once you are done putting together the garland, just go ahead and tie it. And this is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and share. I'm sure one of your friends or family members can use this beautiful garland for their holiday party. All right, guys. And again, so glad to be back. See you next one. Bye.